Hi bachas, hope you all are good. In the previous videos, we had started with O sound words followed by OT rhyming words. And afterwards, we had done with another O sound words DOG dog, LOG log. Followed by OG rhyming words. And which were they? Yes, DOG dog, FOG frog, LOG log. Now today we are going to do more O sound words along with OX words. Look children, what is this? Yes, it's a box and a box has a lid on it. And a box comes in different size, different shape. It is made of different materials and it is also used for different purposes. Look here, what is this? Yes, it's a gift box. When you gift your friend something, you pack your gift in this kind of box, right children? And there are many kind of tiffin box even. And there are different lunch box. Children, there are wooden box even like jewelry box and post box where you can post letters in it. Okay children? And children, do you all remember what does O say? Yes, O says O. Come on, do it with me. O says O. O sound words. This is a picture of a box and now we will learn the spelling of box. B says B, O says O, X says X. Children, you will have to say X says X. Okay. B, O, X. Box. B, O, X. Box. One more time. B, O, X. Box. Children, can you guess which animal is this? Yes, it's a fox. And you know children, a fox is a very clever animal. A fox lives in forest, that is jungle. And children, a fox is a wild animal. It can run and jump very quickly. Can you see them? Yes, and it looks more like a dog. So it belongs to a dog family. And you must be aware of one famous story. And that is the fox and the grapes. Now look at this. Yes, this is a fox. And now let's learn the spelling of fox. F says F, O says O, X says X. F, O, X, fox. F, O, X, fox. One more time. F, O, X, fox. Children, there is one more word that belongs to O sound words. Children, this is an ox. We can also call it as bull or bullock. And it has two big horns. It is a domestic animal. And it is used by the farmers for farming. And children, it is usually used for plowing the fields. And children, in villages, they are used to pull cart like this to carry people from one place to another. And they are also used as means of transport for carrying heavy loads from one place to another. And children, one more thing. An ox is a vehicle of Lord Shiva and it is popularly known as Nandi. You must have seen in many temples, right children? OX rhyming words. Let's learn the rhyming words. BOX box, FOX fox, OX ox. Children, here the last two letters are the same. So, here OX, OX, OX. Okay, so we got our OX rhyming words. Now let's learn. B-ox, box, F-ox, fox, and this is ox. Got it children? OX rhyming words. B-O-X, box, F-O-X, fox, O-X, ox. Now let's do OX rhyming words along with action. So ready children? Lock your fingers, take your position and start. OX rhyming words. B-O-X, box, F-O-X, fox, O-X, ox. Shall we repeat again? B-O-X, box, F-O-X, fox, O-X, ox. Now it's time to do more O sound words. And which are they? Yes, they are B-O-Y, boy and T-O-P, top. Children, now this is a picture of a boy. Yes, and a boy likes to play with the ball. More O sound words. Yes, This is a picture of a boy. Now let's learn the spelling. B says B, O says O, Y says Y. B, O, Y, boy. B-O-Y, boy. Again, B-O-Y, boy. Children, this is a top and it comes with a string and it has a pointed nail. So, you have to be very careful while playing. And the top comes in different colors. Can you see them? Yes. And a string is coiled around it. So, when you pull the string quickly, it will start spinning on the ground very fast. And it can be played in different ways. And we find it in different varieties also. Now look at this. A top. Now let's learn the spelling. T says T, O says O, P says P. T, O, P, top. T-O-P, top. Again, T-O-P, top. Children, today we have completed with all O sound words. Now it's time to draw pictures and write the spellings in your book. So ready? O sound words. Let's take a first spelling B-O-X, box. Leave some space. Draw two slanting lines like this. Join it with sleeping lines. Then draw two standing lines. Join it with a sleeping line. Another standing line. Join it with a slanting line. Then draw two standing lines like this and join it with a sleeping line. Another standing line and join it with a slanting line. And draw some standing lines like this. Got it, children? So this is a box. Leave 5 lines for writing 5 times. Let's write another spelling. F-O-X, fox. Leave some space. Write a V and draw a curve like this. And draw opposite curve and draw a standing line. And from here also draw a standing line. And here draw a circle and fill it and draw a small curve and draw an eye. This is a fox. Write 5 times. Now more O sound words. T-O-P, top. Leave some space. Draw a slanting line. Draw opposite slanting line and join it. Draw a curve and upper curve. And draw some curves inside it like this. And draw a standing line. Draw a circle on the top. Fill it and draw a string. This is a top. Leave 5 lines for writing 5 times. Now last spelling B-O-Y, boy. Leave some space. Draw a U curve. Join it with a sleeping line. Draw upper U curve, a curve like this. Draw 2 eyes, a nose and a smiley and draw 2 ears. And draw 2 lines like this and a circle at the top. And draw a small U curve, slanting line, another slanting line, standing line, slanting line, standing line, slanting line and join it like this. Got it, children? Now draw a slanting line, sleeping line, opposite V curve, sleeping line, slanting line and draw 2 legs like this and 2 hands like this. Till now you must be knowing how to draw a boy. Okay, children? Write the spelling 5 times and here we have completed with O sound words. Bye.